This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying your iPad model and iPad OS version because modern widget and live photo behavior depends on it. Once done, install a trusted live wallpaper app or open shortcuts to convert an MP4 anime clip into a live photo. Make sure the clip is under recommended size and that photos and shortcuts have permission to access media. This avoids interruptions. Also, clear a bit of storage and charge to at least 50% so the conversion and setup proceeds smoothly without hiccups. Next, you convert the selected anime clip into a live photo using shortcuts or the app's export feature. Trim the clip to the ideal loop so motion looks natural. Once exported, save it to Photos and test playback with a long press to confirm the live photo plays. Then go to Settings, Wallpaper, and pick that live photo for your lock screen. Choose perspective or still as you prefer. Make sure to tap Set for lock screen specifically. Home screen won't animate live photos on many iPads. Finally, you can enhance the home screen with animated widgets from third-party apps if you want motion beyond the lock screen. If the live photo doesn't animate, re-export it ensuring H.264 or HEV codec, confirm reduce motion is off, and update iPad OS. Many issues resolve after a restart. If problems persist, reapply the wallpaper or recreate the live photo with a shorter loop. One key troubleshooting tip: disabling reduce motion often restores live photo play.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.